Hello everyone, today I want to introduce a delicious Chinese cuisine to you guys. It's called coconut chicken hot pot. It's healthy, tasty, and most importantly, very easy to make at home. Well, let's go take a look, shall we? They usually serve in combo, including a plate of chicken pieces, 2 fresh coconuts, and some vegetables. The essence of this hot pot is the coconut juice. Make sure you get fresh coconut, otherwise it will taste really funny. I usually get 2 extra coconuts just in case. After filter the juice, take out all the meat with a knife or fruit peeler. Put them into the soup. This will provide some gentle sweetness to this cuisine. Well, if you're not a fan of sweet food, you can simply just reduce the amount of the coconut meat or not use it at all. After the soup is boiled, we can start to cook the chicken. It usually takes 5 minutes with hot pot on the maximum power. However, if you are using a stew pot, it is highly recommended to cook the chicken for 15 to 20 minutes with medium power. While the dipping sauce is totally customizable, I will just go with the usual ones. This will bring out the most natural flavor of the food material. Here we go. Finally, this is so yum. Here is the fun fact. Cantonese usually start their meal with a bowl of hot soup because they believe it warms up their stomach and increase their appetite for whatever is coming next. I can't wait. This is so tender.
Nice.
At last, put some veggies to the pot. Or not. It's totally up to you. You are the boss. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more if you like my video.